Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. Well, we're doing another product review, and this time around we're doing a product review on this Charmast power bank from Charmast, and I'd like to thank them for sending this out for our review. It is basically a power bank that you can use to recharge up to 3 different devices at once, and it's also a Type-C power bank, so you can attach a Type-C device to it. So there you go. So, and also your iPad, by the way. You know what? I want to get my hands on this. So, you know what? Without further ado, let's get it started. Well, okay, folks. Well, here it is. The Charmast power bank. So we're going to basically go ahead and open it up. This is how it comes to you in the box and everything. And this is definitely plastic wrapped also. So you definitely don't have to worry about this coming to you wet damaged or something like that. So that's cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this plastic off. Let's see if I can just pull it off first. No. I'm doing a little cutter, portable cutter here. Kind of. And then, well, as you already know, if you've been watching my YouTube channel, I'm a real neat freak when it comes to boxes, so that's why I'm carefully opening this thing up. So, take the plastic off of here. Put this on the side here. Alright, so now I'm looking for an opening. Oh, there it is. It gets open from the top right here. See what's on the inside. Oh, okay, opens very nicely. There we go. Open this up. Ooh. Well, I believe that's the charger. Let's take it out the box. Looks like it comes like in a little pouch here. So it has its own pouch. So I guess when you have this battery pack, put it inside this pouch and you're good to go. And I'm just literally feeling inside the pouch itself for a moment. You know what, folks? If you're going to carry around this battery pack, definitely put it inside this pouch. This pouch is definitely made to protect it. I can tell you that. It definitely is. So keep that in mind when you buy this. Put it inside this pouch and then take it with you. Alright. I mean, I like the feel of that. I really do. That's cool. Alright. Now I'm going to take it out this plastic. And that is the pack itself. That's it right here. First look. Oh, okay. Well, there's the USB adapters right there. And you got your Type-C adapter, which is up here. Yep, right up there. And then, oh no, actually, yeah, and you, and I believe that's how you recharge the battery pack. You basically use this port right here, plug it in just like you plug into, you use one of your cell phone adapters, follow you know, with the micro USB, plug it into there, and you can recharge this. So that's good. And from what I understand, it rapidly recharges too. From what I understand. Like I said, I know it comes with a user manual somewhere in there. We're gonna look for that shortly. So that's cool. Oh, I see a button on the side here. I'm just going to punch on it and see what happens. See if something shows up. I see some indicators right here in front. Let me punch the light here. Okay. Now I see four little holes here, but only 3 of them lit up. So my first guess is that the battery pack itself is not fully charged at the moment. But 75% charge is pretty good. So you definitely want to keep that in mind when you first get this to, you know, recharge it when you get it. Alright. Okay, I'm going to put this down. Let's see what else is in this box. Okay. Well, there you go. You can, you know, got the case here. And, oh my. Check this out, folks. Alright. What I see here is basically this is the cord you're going to use to recharge the battery pack with. And basically, from what I'm just looking, I haven't read the manual yet, but just by me looking at it and my experience with messing around with this stuff, it should basically go into here. Hold up. Yep. And you definitely want to recharge it. You can definitely recharge the battery pack with this. Basically, these two ports allow you to recharge the battery pack itself. But one of these ports also allows you to charge up any Type-C device too. The one on top here. This cord by itself just recharges the battery pack when you plug it into here. So keep that in mind. And these ports also recharges your devices. So you don't recharge through here. You don't. You recharge through here. Alright, keep that in mind. Alright, so I see that. Take that out. And I see this. So this is the Type-C adapter. That's interesting. It's the Type-C adapter that allows you to... I love this. See that, folks? That's cool. It comes with its own Type-C adapter. Wonderful. That definitely helps a lot. Especially if you want to charge up your Type-C devices there, and then you got a Type-C plug on it on the bottom of it there. You just plug it into that Type-C device and you're up and running. USB Type-C. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. So that's definitely a relief for those who probably figure out how they're gonna do this. And it's tight. Doesn't come out right away. That's good. You don't have to worry about it just slipping out. That's cool. Alright. I'm looking in the box, see what else is in here. It's a thank you card, of course. I guess it's just something you mark stuff off on here. And of course, this is the manual. So I'm definitely going to read this thoroughly to find out the full capabilities of this battery pack. So I'm going to read through this, folks, and I'm going to get back at y'all in the next episode. So stay tuned. Okay, folks, as you can see on the table there, I pretty much grabbed a whole bunch of stuff all around that I have around me and everything, just so I could demonstrate and kind of check out the capabilities of the battery pack right here. So I'm just figuring out what y'all want to play with first. You know what? I'm gonna go for the Bluetooth speaker here first, and I'm basically going to go ahead and charge it up. I wonder if it's already charged up. Oh, that was earlier. Oh, I did that earlier, but it's already charged up on its own. But still, I can still plug it into here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna use one of these. Now I just happen to have one of these plugs around the house for the old USB type thing. I think many of y'all can recognize this part right here. See that? The big thicker one. The one that came out before the micro one. They used to call this the mini USB port. Now we got the micro, and then we got this, and of course you got this, which is still around. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to plug this into here and start charging up our Bluetooth speaker. So this will come in handy if, let's say you're out partying and everything, and your Bluetooth speaker, stops working. You think you recharged it and everything, and it stops working and whatever. You definitely can use a battery pack to recharge it. And I'm gonna demonstrate it with this one. And as you can see, as I showed you earlier, the indicator comes on. And as you can see, it is actually charging it. See? You can definitely do that. Definitely. Alright, so I also wanted to demonstrate some other features too. I'll move some stuff out of the way here. Now, of course, everyone has a smartphone, and of course, as we all know, we run out of power and all that and everything, and well, I just happen to have a old smartphone laying around here, and I'm just going to charge this up too. So I'm going to see, I'm basically going to plug in the mini port, this right here, see that? And plug that into here. Have one of these cords laying around, so I'm going to use this. Plug that in. And now, remember earlier I said it can recharge up to 3 devices at the same time? Well, that's basically what I'm showing. So I'm going to plug the other one right into the other adapter. And there we are. It's recharging, see? It's blinking right now because it's recharging. See? That's how it recharges. It blinks. And, you know, the red light blinks on and off, on and on. Alright. And so, now, unfortunately, I don't have a Type-C device to plug this into to show you that part. But what I am going to show you is that, let's say you're out and about, right? You know, I'm going to unplug this first though. Suppose you're out and about and everything. You're running along with your fitness tracker and all this, and it dies on you. And you're like, oh man, come on man, no! So, what you can do is, if you happen to have this on you, I guess you can use this. So I'm gonna plug this up. And basically, you can recharge your fitness tracker with this. So I'm gonna plug it into the other adapter that I had earlier. And I'm gonna make sure this is in view when you see this click on. So here we go. Let me turn this around so you can actually see this. There you go. See? It's recharging. See? Now the fitness tracker is being recharged, while at the same time you're charging another device. So that is definitely cool. That is definitely cool. Alright. Now I'm supposed to show you how to recharge this too. So I'm going to go and do that next, so stay tuned for that. Okay, folks. Now, as before, we're gonna recharge our power bank here, because you know when you hit the out the open road and everything, you definitely want this thing fully charged. So, to do that, now earlier you saw it came with its own cord and everything, but as you noticed, let me show you this. As you notice. This will work for, you know, any device and everything, but me, I like longer cords. That's just me. So that's why I found a longer cord to plug into this. But it'll still work because it's still got this type of plug on there, as you can see. So I'm going to plug that into here. The regular micro USB port on here, right? See that? Plug it into there. That's for input. That's not for output, by the way. That's just for input. The micro USB port on the power bank, that's for input to power up the power bank to recharge it. Alright, and I'm going to plug it into this. Any old 5-volt adapter you can find around the house, you know, into this. You know, as long as it's 5-volt and everything, you know. And I got me an available power cord right here. Now I'm going to turn this around so you can actually see it turn on when I plug it up. So I'm going to put this right here. Plug it up. And there we go. It's recharging. You see that? Now it's letting you know how much charge it's getting and you know where it's trying to get to. When it finally reaches all 4, it means it's 100% charged. So that's basically the whole rundown of this thing. I like it. It's small. Let me show you something. I'm just putting it in my hand so you can get an idea how small this thing is. That's my hand. This is the battery pack. See? It's real small and comfy. Even then, you can carry this around comfortably inside of a pocketbook, a backpack, and whatever. But, like I was showing earlier, to be on the extra safe side, definitely put it inside this pouch. So basically, you'll just put it inside the pouch and definitely protect it. So now, you don't have to worry about it being messed up. So, and of course, you can have the cord come out and, you know, there you go. You definitely do it that way. So, I really like this. This is cool. This is absolutely interesting. You know what? It's so interesting. What I'm going to do is I'm going to provide an Amazon link in the bottom of this video so you can get this one for your very own. So this is really cool. Wow. I love it. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and sign off here because I got to really play around with this. Well, thank you for watching and have a great day.